Could have been worse. You got no elevator.
Dude, it flies like a dream.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Guess who's here with me?
What's up?
It's Ryan. He's got his Viper. I can't even see it. Jeez. I think it's in the frame. It's so bright and hot out here today, guys. Holy crap. So cool. It sounds like a real jet. It's crazy. The way the airflow goes through the engines like that. So cool.
Hold it, 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 hold it. Come in from the other way. Yeah, you're with the wind.
Alright, try that again. This time he's going against the wind, which is what you're always supposed to do. But that thing moves. That is a fast plane. He's too high.
Go down, go down, go down, and level off.
There you go. Nice.
Yeah.
What a hero. Check this plane out. This one's called the Laser. What size is this?
67 inch.
It's huge. He's got flaperons, so it's going to use the ailerons as flaps. They'll kind of like go down, but they'll still move as they should. But you can, you know, for a plane that doesn't have flaps, you can use them for that purpose. But he said he doesn't need them, and it slows down pretty darn good. This thing is sweet. Look at that carbon fiber landing gear right there. That's sick. Yeah, this thing is properly cool. Dude,
Yeah, well, you have
look at this.
Three-way gyro on this, right?
Nitro.
This is one gyro that does all three.
Yeah.
The next
So
level up
sick.
from this is a 10-channel receiver.
Yeah.
The next one up is the one that
Badass.
has the three. The Synergy.
Yeah.
It has three different gyros.
Yeah. Well, this actually have sit.
Got a badass heli going up. It just fascinates me. It's just so cool. Nice find. Cool. Oh, look, a nitro heli. Dude. Sick. Yeah, so this guy's got 3 helicopters. He's telling me that for my Goblin 380, I can get this new piece for it that'll help stabilize it, because that thing's terrifying, and there's nothing wrong with having a little bit of stabilization help in your expensive machines, guys. So I think I'm going to switch that off, try to get a hold of one, and then we'll make another video with it. Because I have one that's about half the size of that, and I never fly it because I don't want to crash it. So cool. Nitro or electric? The endless debate. That smells so good. Dude, look at this puppy right here. My God, that is a huge plane. Holy crap. I have like a mini version of that, and it flies pretty nice, but that thing, sick. All right, we are going crazy mode. I'm pretty sure he's a pro pilot. He's sponsored by some of these RC companies, so this should be sick.
Jake, I got the perfect like hype song queued up for you. Like this is gonna look sick. Are you ready?
Only you would do this, Ryan. Why am I not surprised?
I've shot better people for less.
They're like rolling while you're flying straight. It's really hard to do. Just think about how you gotta transition on the elevator for each side like that, dude. Just think, you just shot down 8 planes, you got a hot wife at home.
You got 15 bullet holes in your tail.
He's living another day.
Take it.
Taking up the Trojan? Thing is huge. Cool.
That thing looks real.
Dude, it does look real. This guy is a hell of a pilot, I swear. Through the gap.
Inverted low pass.
So cool. Wow. Nice. I got sunburned today. It's hot. That was a fun little day. Stick around. I'm going to throw the footage from last time in if you want to keep watching. I never really had enough footage to make a whole video, so we'll throw that in at the end of this one. And well, if you don't watch, I'll see you in the next video. And if you do watch, I'll see you at the end of that video. What's up, guys? Alright, Ryan's going up with his favorite little plane. Yeah, Ryan, before I started this clip, said it's my fault that he's into this. If it wasn't for me, he'd be more financially stable. But instead, he's holding what could be a lawn dart. brave with this wind. Whoa! Dude, that noise it makes. That sounds so cool. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but yeah, orientation seems like it's difficult on this thing. You gotta plan each move. Little bursts of throttle is all it takes. That's pretty nuts, man. Whoa.
Just disappeared.
Jeez.
Yeah. It's a Highline racing. It's just gliding, isn't it?
Yeah, but I just can't see it. That sucks, and I don't want to lose it.
No, don't lose
I'll
it.
never be able to replace it.
Bring it down. Seems like it's tricky to bleed off that speed though, isn't it?
Good idea.
Go into the wind and slow you down. The wind changed directions completely. Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Did you see when it went?
If you remember a long time ago, Ryan had his little fun with these planes here. Well, this one is absolutely destroyed. I had him in my garage forever. He gave them to me, but I don't have any room, so I had to bring him back. He says we're gonna hand launch this. I don't know. You're hand launching it, not me. We know what happened last time. I hand launched something.
Dude, it's got a nice piece of cardboard for aerodynamics.
Yeah, to catch all that wind under there, huh? Hey, I'm in for it.
Servo's probably destroyed.
There you go. Give it throttle.
Boys,
Oh god.
we ready?
Well, that was quick. Could have been worse. You got no elevator.
Dude, it flies like a dream.
Okay, it's a sad day for the Citation.
Oh, look, it's in great shape. You hear it, right?
Hold on, wait. Before you do, wait. I was gonna ask for the landing gear, but yeah. Guess I'll just take the bent one. Boo.